Jefferson, Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is back in session. The court is in session with 3 dockets on today's date. First of all, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to welcome you to County Court at Law number 2. My name is Judge Terrence Holmes. Our 3 dockets are the announcement docket, pretrial conference docket, and the trial docket. When I call your name, please come forward with your attorney. If your attorney is not here, we'll wait for your attorney to arrive because your attorney may be in another court handling another matter. If you are representing yourself, or if you do not have an attorney representing you, when I call your name, please come before the court by yourself. First 2 cases are calls numbers 25 CCCR 0823, calls number 25 CCCR 0652. Both cases are style of state of Texas versus Donald Darden or Donald Ray Darden II. Mr. Darden, your full name is Donald Ray Darden II?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Darden? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Darden, you're represented in your cases by your attorney, Charles Rojas. Mr. Rojas, how are you doing?
Doing well, Judge, thank you.
And Mr. Rojas, do you waive a record in Mr. Darden's case?
We do, Your Honor.
State is represented in these cases by attorney Para Nixon. Ms. Nixon, how are you doing?
I'm fine, Your Honor. How are you doing?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Now, in cause number 25 CCCR 0823, I have before me a motion to forfeit the weapon in that case. Mr. Darden, did I swear you in? You please raise your right hand. Do you swear affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Darden, you may put your hand down. Mr. Darden, do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant? And Mr. Darden, before you sign this document, did your attorney go over this document with you? Did you understand everything that your attorney went over?
Yes, sir.
Is everything in this document true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Darden, I'm signing the motion to forfeit the weapon to the Beaumont Police Department. You'll be able to get a copy of this motion forfeit and the order. State, I also have before me in these 2 cases, motions to dismiss the case. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Darden. Signing the motion in cause number 25 CCCR 0823 for forfeiture of the weapon to the Beaumont Police Department. You'll be able to get a copy of this motion in order, my court coordinator. And in cause number 25 CCCR 0652. I'm signing I have before me a motion to dismiss. Is that correct, State?
Yes, Your Honor.
And the state is dismissing this case in the interest of justice. You'll be able to get a copy of this motion from the court coordinator as well. Once you get a copy of the motion and orders from our court coordinator, you're free to go.
Yes, sir.
And you have a blessed day. And Mr. Rojas, do you have any more cases?
No, Judge, that's all I have.
Okay, you're free to go as well, and you have a blessed day. Okay, next case is cause number 24 CCCR 0813, case of style of state of Texas versus Aiden Gage Terrell. Mr. Terrell is on Zoom with his attorney, Attorney John Macy. Mr. Terrell, how are you doing? I can't hear you. You need to take your mic off of mute.
I'm sorry, I thought it was off. I'm doing good. How about you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. And Mr. Terrell, you're represented by your attorney, John Macy. Mr. Macy, how are you doing? Is it
Is he
frozen?
frozen?
I think it is.
Oh, there he is.
Okay. Mr. Macy, how are you doing? I can't hear you. Hold on a minute. Hold on a minute.
Please log on real quick.
I think he said he's gonna log on to his phone real fast.
Okay. Yes, they said somebody's microphone was.
Yeah.
Okay. He's on his phone now. You could take your mic off of mute. Okay, Mr. Macy? Mr. Macy, can you hear me?
I can hear you fine, Judge.
Okay. Now, Mr. Macy, how are you doing?
I'm fine, Your Honor. Thanks for asking.
Okay. And Mr. Macy, what is your announcement in Mr. Terrell's case?
Mr. Taro is in the BIP program, Judge, and he's I believe he's done almost everything that they've asked him to do. He's just waiting on the time or waiting for them to. The 6 months isn't up until if they wait that long is going to be in August. So we're asking
Okay.
for reason.
Okay, let me ask you this here. Is he in the pretrial diversion program or just the BIP program? Did he get like 6 months pretrial diversion? Or did he just have to complete the BIP program?
Is my understanding is he's in the BIP program, Judge, but I'm
Okay.
not.
So so BIP program is just, if I'm not mistaken, I could be corrected. He just has to complete the classes, right? I think it's like 18 classes or something like that.
If that's the case, then I'm hoping that they'll be dismissing it fairly soon. But
Okay, now, Mr. Aiden.
Yes, sir.
Have you completed your classes in the BIP program?
So what they have me do every month is they'll have me go up and check in with my probation officer, and because I've already, like, they gave me 40 hours of community service, and then they gave me
Oh, he must be in pretrial diversion.
and then they had given me also, I think it was, I had to complete a course online for anger management.
Okay, I understand. So once he completes I guess the pretrial diversion, then the state will send over a dismissal. Do you know when you're scheduled to complete that program? How
So
long was the program?
She said it's supposed to be 12 months, but the earliest she'll be able to dismiss me is within 6 months, being as I've done completed the community service hours and the certificate for the anger management course.
Okay, so how long have you been in the program?
Right now, about 3 months.
Oh, so you probably have another 3 months to go.
So
At
that's
least.
what he was saying. Like in August, if she wanted to, she could let me out then.
Okay, let's give him let's give him a 45-day, 60-day reset. And the reason why we're doing that, we want to make sure you're still in the program.
Yes, sir.
Because if you're not still in the program, what the state is going to do, they're going to go forward on the prosecution. So give him a 2-month reset. That's fine. This case will be reset to June 22nd, 2026. It'll be a status hearing. Check on the status of the case to see whether or not you're still in the program.
Yes, sir.
All right. So your attorney and your bonds will give a notice of the reset. Again, this case is reset until June 22nd, 2026 at 9 a.m. You're free to go. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. And Mr. Macy, is this your only case?
It is, Your Honor.
Okay, you're free to go as well, and you have a blessed day.
Yes, sir. You
Thank you.
too.
Let Mr. Logan on. Next case is cause number 26CCCR 0362, case of style of state of Texas versus John Marlowe Wapner. Mr. Wapner is on Zoom. Mr. Wapner, you can take your mic off of mute. How are you doing, Mr. Wapner?
Good morning, sir. I'm good. Thank you for asking. How are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks as well for asking. Now,
I
Mr.
apologize.
Wapner,
My camera will not start. Sorry about that.
oh, that's fine. Mr. Wapner, your attorney in this case is Attorney Tom Kelly. And Mr. Kelly, how are you doing?
Doing fine, Judge, thank you.
Mr. Kelly, this case is on the court's announcement docket. What is your announcement?
We need some time for discovery, please, Judge. if we
Discovery,
stay on the
okay.
topic.
Give us a reset date. This case is reset until May 20th, 2026 at 9 a.m. Mr. Wapner, your attorney and your bondsman will be given notice of your reset date. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. Your case has been reset to May 20th, 2026 at 9 a.m. You're free to go. And you have
Thank
a-
you, sir.
And Mr. Kelly, is this your only case?
It is your.
You're free to go as well, and you have a blessed day.
Thanks, Judge.
Okay. Mr.
Maybe.
Jeffrey Crowder. Oh, he's on Zoom. Okay.
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Crowder?
All right, how you doing?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking, Mr. Crowder. You represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Tom Burbank. And Mr. Burbank, how are you doing? That's good. Now, Mr. Burbank, this case is on the, let me see, got 1, 2. Yeah, 4 cases on the trial docket. And what is your announcement in this case?
Yes, I have no announcement, Judge. Given the prosecutor.
Well, this is a Haley Simmons case. It's not Cornelius Williams, but
I think
Cornelius was the
I think he-
prosecutor working on my case.
okay, I'm just looking at the docket. She just says Haley Simmons.
she's-
Yeah, okay, well, Haley's no longer here, so it's gonna be Cornelius. Okay, so they're heading, so this is re-signed to Cornelius, and he told you about Cornelius'
She
situation.
did.
Okay.
Whatever.
You have any objections?
I have no objection.
Okay, this case will be, give us a reset date.
June 1st.
This case will be reset to June 1st, 2026, at 9 a.m. And where is Mr. Oh yeah, he's on Zoom. Mr. Crowder, stay in contact with your attorney. Your case has been reset for trial June 1st, 2026 at 9 a.m. You're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Yes, sir, you too, thank you.
Okay. Okay, next case is Mitchell Lee Rawlins Jr. Mr. Rawlins, your full name is Mitchell Lee Rawlins Jr. How are you doing, Mr. Rawlins? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Rawlins, you're represented by your attorney, Attorney Tom Burbank. And Mr. Burbank, what is your announcement in Mr. Rawlins' case?
Same announcement, Judge.
Okay. Now, this case is gonna be reset for trial?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, give us the trial date.
June 1st.
If we could stagger them out a little bit, Judge. Have 4.
Well, this one is an old case. This one is the oldest.
That's fine, but I
We
mean,
might need to push this one up,
That's fine. I mean,
because Mr. Rawlins, this case was transferred from County Court at Law number 3. Stayed over there a few years, and now it's transferred over here, so. So we need to,
May 18th,
May 18th,
because the 25th is a holiday. And then it goes to June 1st.
the 18th?
18th, no, the
Okay.
25th is a holiday.
No, you say we could do May 18th, right?
There's enough time, say 30 days.
The day, that's only, but it'd be 28 days. I mean, the case went on the docket for a while. Y'all need more than that to get ready. I mean, y'all should have been ready, August.
28 days would be sufficient, Your Honor.
Yeah, okay. Put it on the, May 18th. Okay. This case will be reset to May 18th, 2026. Mr. Rollins, this case will be reset May 18th, 2026 at 9 AM. You're gonna get your reset. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go. You have a blessed day. Okay, Raphael Tillman. Mr. Tillman has two cases. There are cause numbers 24 CCCR 0548 and cause number 24 CCCR 0549. Both cases are styled the state of Texas versus Raphael Tillman. Mr. Tillman, is that your full name?
Yes.
Okay, how are you doing, Mr. Tillman? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Now, Mr. Tillman, you're represented by attorney Tom Burbank. Mr. Burbank, Denise Williams are on these two cases as well.
That's correct, Ron.
Okay, so Mr. Tillman, the attorney that's handling the case for the district attorney's office is not here. He had some illness in his family this weekend, so he will not be here. And so your cases will be reset until, what's that date?
June 8th.
June 8th, that's fine. He wanted spaced out. June 8th of 2026. Once you get you're gonna get your resets from our coordinator. Once you get your resets, you'll be free to go. And you have a blessed day.
Call me before.
Okay. Let's see. Mr. Burbank, okay. Now we have, Ms. Burbank, you have Kendrick J. Noel. He has 3 cases on the pretrial conference docket. Mr. Noel? How are you doing, Mr. Noel? That's good. Now, Mr. Noel, you're represented in your cases by your attorney, Attorney Thomas Burbank. And Mr. Hold on a minute. Oh, yeah, about these. There's some bond conditions. Oh, I see. This case was transferred. Kind of code 11-3. Now, Mr. Yeah, go there. Mr. Burbank, what's your announcements in Mr. Noel's cases?
I'd like to keep it on the pretrial, docket, just maybe able to get worked out.
Okay, Mr. Noel. Let's see, I need to give you some bond conditions. Let's see, you didn't have any bond conditions in these cases. Let's see. Okay, Mr. Noel. I'm going to go over some bond conditions with you. You'll be able to get a copy of these bond conditions before you leave. The document is titled Standard Bond Conditions in County Court at Law Number 2. And it states, following return of a criminal information in County Court at Law Number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas, all bail bonds executed for release of any defendant named herein are ordered subject to the additional conditions. Number 1, defendant shall commit no offense against the laws of this state, any other state, or of the United States. Do you understand that condition? You have to speak up. Do you understand that condition?
You can't get going.
And you can't break the law. Okay,
Yep.
okay,
You know.
okay. Now, Mr. Noel. Condition number 2 states the defendant shall submit to testing for drugs and alcohol at any time as directed by the court. The court may revoke the bond and order the arrest of any defendant who A, refuses to submit to test for drugs and alcohol when directed to do so by the court, or B, submit to a test for drugs and alcohol and the test indicates the presence of drugs and alcohol in the defendant's body. Do you understand that condition? You understand it? You have to speak up.
Yes, sir.
Now, condition number 2, defendant shall now communicate either directly or indirectly with the alleged victim of the pending offense, and the defendant shall not go near any residence, school, or other location frequented by the alleged victim. Do you understand that condition? You don't talk to her? All right. Now, number 4 does not apply. That only applies in a DWI case. Your case is not a DWI. However, condition number 5 does apply. Condition number 5 states, defendant is prohibited from possessing a firearm or ammunition unless the defendant is a peace officer, as defined by section 1.07 of the Penal Code, actively engaged in employment. Man, somebody wake up Mr. Kimler.
You see what you do, Judge?
He was snoring. Okay, let me read this again. Defendant is prohibited from possessing a firearm or ammunition unless defendant is a peace officer, as defined by section 1.07 of the Penal Code, actively engaged in employment as a sworn full-time paid employee of a state agency or political subdivision. Do you understand that? Now, if you violate any one of these conditions, your bond can be revoked. And if your bond is revoked, the warrant will be issued for your arrest. You'll be arrested and placed in the Jefferson County Jail. Now, your cases are reset. What's the date?
June 1st.
To June 1st. You'll get your resets from our court coordinator. Once you get your resets, Mr. Noel, you'll be free to go. And you have a blessed day. All right.
Curious.
Yeah,
Yeah, you not curious.
yeah. And Mr.
I think that's-
Mr. Burbank, you're free to go. And you have a blessed day.
I have a 10 o'clock now. I'm just. Have a good day.
Okay, Mr. Kimler.
I understand that your Williams is gonna build.
Yes, he has sickness in his family. Oh, this one is another one. This case, one of these cases had Nicholas Jeter on it.
Yes, transfer from CC3.
I represented Mr. Hubel, I wouldn't oppose contingencies.
What you said?
I represented Mr. Hubel over the weekend, and I would not oppose contingencies. in this review.
Okay. Oh, yeah, okay, so, let me do this here. Let me see. Williams, okay, let me see, Jill Renee Rios.
Person.
Right here.
Yes.
Yes, on the table is fine. That's fine, no, it's no problem. How you doing, Ms. Rios?
Fine, sir.
That's good. Now, Ms. Rios, you're represented in your case by your attorney Ralph Kimmler. And Mr. Kimmler, you said you're not opposed to state's continuance in this case?
No, no. You know, research.
Okay.
Okay, Ms. Rios, you'll get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. You have a blessed day. Please have a seat in that first chair on the wall and wait for your name to be
Can
called.
I get my permit?
Yes.
Yes,
Look, Mr. Burbank. Be sure all of your seats.
Rosetta James.
And then.
James. It's Rosita James. Ms. James, how are you doing? I'm doing fine. Your full name is Rosita James? How are you? Now, Ms. James, you're represented by your attorney Ralph Kimmler and Mr. Kimmler. I guess the case hadn't been assigned to a prosecutor yet because it still has Nicholas Jeter, who is next door.
We're ready, Your Honor.
Okay. State.
This was on the announcement.
Or something. Oh, on the announcement, yeah.
We'll set it for trial.
Set it for trial. Okay, reset for trial. Give us a okay, your case will be reset for trial. Once you get a reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day. Now you have, who is this? Shane Tyler Leger.
Leger,
Oh, that person ain't, let's do
he's got a
this.
pending felony that arose out of the same criminal.
So you might have a case now, he might be next door.
Well, drug courts, I think drug courts,
I don't know if it's drug court,
it's out of drug court. But I didn't see it on the online docket this morning for drug court.
yeah, I don't, okay.
Judge on real, we set it for trial.
Yes.
And she'll look into once you finish with that, somebody look into Lachey's case. Okay, Madison Michelle Goss,
Was- Someone from the online.
this was transferred to,
You talking about later?
It's drug
oh, these
court.
cases was transferred.
You didn't-
Okay, this is, Miss Goss. How are you doing?
Doing good, Your Honor. How are you doing?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking, Ms. Goss, you're represented by your attorney, Ralph Kimmler. Mr. Kimmler, what's your announcement in this case? This case on the announcement docket,
Oh, so that's what I'll try.
reset it for trial? Okay, Ms. Goss, you'll take a seat in that third chair on the wall, wait for your name to be called. Once your name is called, you go to the window and you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. Okay, let's see who you have. Okay, you have, that was Burbank. Tillman,
Yeah.
Destiny Connect. This is one of Mr. Cornelius Williams' case on the trial docket.
Mm.
Yeah, it's,
How are you doing? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. And, Mr. Kimmler, Mr. Williams is also on this case.
actually,
Yeah, any objections to the state motion continues?
no objection. Was hoping to beat him 3 times in a row this week. Won't have that opportunity.
Okay,
Just have a seat.
Destiny, you can have a seat and wait for your name to be called. Let's see another one for him. Okay, let's go back up here. Joel Micah Kibido.
Leave on this one, the state's motion has been granted prior.
It was.
He filed it prior.
Okay, state's motion for continuous. There's no objections, is that correct?
Correct, sir.
Okay, it's granted. Mr. Kibido, you want to take a seat in that second chair on the wall? Wait for your name to be called. Once your name is called, you get your reset, you're free to go. Jeffrey Lee Matthews. How you doing, Mr. Matthews? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Now, Mr. Matthews, you represented by your attorney, Rob Kimler. Mr. Kimler, what's your announcement in this case?
Great.
State, what's your announcement?
State's announcement is not ready, Your Honor.
Okay, then. Okay, let me just hold on and see, I'll get back to it.
They just have to see it.
Okay,
If he needs time, I'm not.
so you're not objecting? Okay. Okay, so that'd be a
Just note that it's, we said at the state's room. That's it.
Well, states. Granted. Okay, William Ray, Portier?
48.
Oh, wow, yeah, he's been here.
This is an old case, Your Honor, if you consider the time that was a felony as well, before it was 3 felons in this committee. But we're ready on
Okay. And this is not one of Mr. Cornelius's cases. What's your
It's
announcement?
not.
No, this is, well, it is, it has to be because it has Haley Simmons on it.
Yeah.
It don't, well, the prosecutor has Haley Simmons,
Yeah, and
which is,
Cornelius stepped into her slot.
yeah, so Cornelius is
it.
unavailable.
There-
Beating the last 2 trials. So. We
gotta get it there first.
Yeah, I gotta try to take a drink.
Oh, and I wanted
Okay.
to- We did receive some information on this. I wanted to post for you.
Oh, I see.
Two of them, not the complaint one, right?
Oh, you know that?
No,
2 of the witnesses are dead.
I don't want to, it's brief.
Where are those then?
Wow.
What I didn't expect was the reaction to it.
Red Tubes,
Put it up on with the complaint.
man, y'all need to do,
You knew one of them. Nelson. No, he was kind of.
Yeah.
how you doing, Mr. Tubes?
Good arms.
You ready?
Red,
Okay, this one's Nixon's case. State?
Same announcement, Your Honor.
just Cornelius.
No.
Oh, okay, we're ready.
Yeah, we got a problem on this one, because, the state had previous 3 motions for continuances. That's what's on the, what's on the docket sheet. And we've had 3 previous motions, so we just hold on this one.
Okay, just have a seat now.
He's on announcement. Yeah. Shane Tyler Leger.
So Rosita James was dismissed, is that right?
Who?
Rosita,
Oh, there's a, yeah, Rosita. Okay, I see it here.
Rosita,
Rosita Jimenez.
I think that she got a trial reset, Your Honor, but if she's being dismissed, then I'll take care of the case anyway.
Right. Yeah, but the state is dismissing it. Now I'm gonna give Mr. Kimler the dismissal. She's right here. That was to be dismissed.
And as to Mr. Leger, potentially, in drug court, he does have a.
let me check on drug court, because I didn't see anything.
Okay. Okay. Cause yeah. Who is Arta? Mr. You ready on order? Hmm, I think that's Mr. Gilbert.
Orton? Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, he was on Zoom earlier.
No?
He was.
Oh, he was?
Yeah. Yeah, okay. Cause I got,
Oh, yeah, he was.
yeah, that's why I had it written down, Zoom, and I said,
he's here, we're ready.
okay. Okay, okay. That's free.
That one's for me.
Yeah, I was like, I don't have that one.
That's the
Yeah.
notice and we don't want to come back. Office.
That's like,
Here's the consulate office. Sheet as well.
Okay, I was looking, hold on.
I'm on it, dude.
Okay, thank you. Did you already move the case? Retrial, these cases are on announcement. Gilbert, okay. Gilbert. Let's see, the 03 is gonna be. Okay. Jefferson County Court of Law number 2 is back in session, 2 cases. They are cause numbers 25 CCCR 2180 and cause number 25 CCCR 2203. Both cases are styled the state of Texas versus Javier H. Arta. Mr. Arta is in court with his attorney Jared Gilthorpe. Mr. Arta speaks Spanish, and Mr. Gilthorpe is fluent in Spanish and English, and he will be interpreting. Mr. Gilthorpe, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Gilthorpe, do you swear to interpret Spanish to English and English to Spanish?
Yes.
To help you out? You may put your hand down. Mr. Gilthorpe, ask Mr. Arta if his full name is Javier H. Arta.
Yes.
Okay. Ask Mr. Arta to raise his right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? So help you God. Okay, you may put your hand out. Okay, come on, stop.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. Now, Mr. Gilthorpe. Do you waive a record in Mr. Archer's cases?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Gilthorpe, I have before me in cause number 25 CCCR 2203, a document that is titled Information. This information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, it alleges that Javier H. Arthur, on or about November 17 of 2024, while he was operating a motor vehicle in a public place in Jefferson County, Texas, that he committed the Class B misdemeanor offense of driving while intoxicated. Mr. Arthur, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
Okay. Now, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
And are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Mr. Arthur, I also have before me on my computer tablet a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishments. Do you recognize this document?
Yes.
On page 2 of the same document, there are a set of initials, JOH, on the line that is titled Defendant. Did you place your initials on this line next to the box that's titled Guilty?
Yes.
On page 3 of this same document, there's a signature above the line that is titled Defendant. Is this your signature?
Yes.
On the next document that's titled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, do you recognize this document? Is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant? At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand this?
Yes.
The second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand this statement?
Yes.
I also have a document that is titled Discovery Certification. Do you recognize this document? Is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant?
Yes.
At the top of this document, well, before you signed and initialed these documents, let me do this. I need to go back to State's Exhibit number 1. On State's Exhibit number 1, are these your initials on the page 1?
Yes.
It is below a paragraph that's titled Citizenship. And it states that if you're not a U.S. citizen on a plea of guilty of nolle contendere, it may result in your deportation, exclusion from admission to this country, or denial of naturalization under federal law. Do you understand this statement?
Yes.
And do you still want to go forward with your plea today?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now, before you sign and initial all of these documents, did your attorney go over these documents with you? And did you understand everything that he went over? And is
Yes.
everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes.
Okay. And are you a citizen of the United States?
No.
And what state are you, what country are you from?
¿Cuál país es usted? Mexico.
Mexico? All right. Now, I have before me a document.
Documento
It's in Spanish
en español.
and it states for all foreign nationals,
Todos los nacionales.
except those from mandatory notification countries. Do you recognize this document?
Usted reconoce ese documento también, ¿no? Yes.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled signature?
Este es su firma, ¿no? Yes.
Now, there's one word that's circled as no, and it's below a statement that asks, do you want us to contact your consular officers at this time? And you said no, is that correct?
Y usted puso que no, ¿no? Yes.
Okay. Now, before you sign and initial this document, did your attorney go over this document with you?
Revisó su abogado, ¿no?
Sure.
Yes.
And did you understand everything that your attorney went over?
Su abogado le explicó, ¿no?
Sure.
Yes.
And is everything in this document true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Está verdadero y correcto, ¿no?
Sure.
Yes.
State, would you like to offer State's Exhibit number 1?
So offer, Your Honor.
No objection.
No objection, State's Exhibit number 1 will be admitted. And Mr. Gilthorpe, you've advised and counseled Mr. Arthur. Is there any evidence that he is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No.
And Mr. Gilthorpe, pursuant to the case of Badil versus Kentucky, did you advise your client as to the consequences of him pleading guilty and no contest to this charge since he is not a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sure.
Mr. Arthur, are you satisfied with the services of your attorney, Mr. Gilthorpe? Sure.
Yes.
Mr. Arthur, I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
We do, Your Honor.
And what is the agreement?
The essential terms are as follows: 180 days in county jail over 12 months period probation, $500 fine, 60 hours of community service, standard DWI, first conditions, and the dismissal with forfeiture of case 25 CCCR 2180.
Permiso de fidelidad, también vamos a soportar el caso de
What's the court cost? $392.
el primer cuarto son los casos del bote, la ley dice 392, entonces puede
15.
sus dos
Javier,
casos de fuerte.
You're gonna dismiss.
Como 150 entonces de lo que está acá con entonces o quieres un número que
Dismiss.
Oh.
Okay. Mr. Orton. The state is offering that you serve 180 days in jail, but you would not have to serve any time in jail because you'll be placed on probation for a period of 1 year. During the 1 year probationary period, you'll be required to pay a fine of $500 plus court costs of $392. You will also be required to pay a DWI conviction fine fee of $100. You'll be required to pay a probation fee of $60 a month, your analysis fee of $15 a month, reimbursement fee of $15. You'll also be required to pay Jefferson County DWI education, an initial evaluation fee of $125 on the day of the plea. Should a further evaluation be needed, you'll be required to pay an additional $50. The total amount that you would have to pay each month while you're on probation is $173 a month. Will you be able to pay the $173 each month?
Yes.
You'll also be required to perform 60 hours of community service. You'll be required to attend and complete a DWI education class. You'll also be required to have an alcohol assessment. You will also be required to adhere to the other standard terms and conditions of this probation. The state will be dismissing cause number 25 CCCR 2180 for forfeiture of the weapon in this case. I have before me a motion to forfeit. And do you recognize this document?
Yes.
Is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant?
Yes.
Before you sign this document, did your attorney go over this document and all of the other documents with you in Spanish? And did you understand everything that he went over?
Yes.
And Mr. Arta, I'm granting the state's motion to forfeit the weapon in cause number 25 CCCR 2180 to the Beaumont Police Department. Mr. Arta, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes.
And do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
Yes.
And do you accept the state's offer?
Yes.
Mr. Arta, I'll follow the plea bargain agreement that you have entered into with the state. Now, Mr. Arta, you'll stand next to the bailiff, follow her directions. Once you finish following her directions, you'll be free to go, and you have a blessed day. And
Thank
Mr.
you, Judge.
All right,
Thank you.
thank you. You're free to go as well, Mr.
Thank you.
Gilthorpe. Ms. Gilthorpe, you want a copy of the dismissal?
I'll get it off the portal. Thank you.
Okay. Date. Okay, Mr. Savage. Your full name is Justin Lee Savage.
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Savage?
Pretty good. How are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Now, Mr. Savage, your case was reset?
Yes, sir. Last time we had spoke, I was in the process of getting a new job. I got the new job, last week, and I was wondering if I could, get a few more weeks and if I can hire my own attorney. Because what I'm making now is a lot more than what I was making at my prior employer.
Okay, give us a reset to hire. May 20th, this case will be reset to May 20th, 2026. You'll get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Asked me about which day Perez, he didn't
May
respond.
20th?
May 20th? And his attorney is Neil. Mr. Rickerson is signature.
Wilkerson. Calvin Wayne Smith Jr. How you doing, Mr. Smith? I'm doing all right. Now, Mr. Smith, I just got word that your attorney, Mr. William Wilkerson, is sick. So he won't be here today, so we need to reset your case. He has a felony set for May 11th. We're gonna set it with your felony case. So on that date, you're gonna check in with the bailiff that morning, and then you're gonna go to the felony court. And once you finish your felony court, you're gonna come back here. Let us know what happened with your case, okay?
Yes.
So your case is gonna be reset to May 11th, 2026. Once you get your reset from our court coordinator, you're free to go. And you have a blessed day. Please have a seat in that first chair on the wall. Garcia. Jennifer Delatch. Oh, he's on his way. We seen Marvin Lewis? Yes. He might be in Judge Stevens' court. He's one of the defense attorneys down there. This Osmond Perez, was that case reset? The lawyer name is Lloyd A. Newton. Okay. Let's see, Burbank. Burbank. 48 East Rooms. I'm doing fine, Mr. Edwards. Now, Mr. Edwards, you're represented in your case by your attorney Tyler LeBlanc. And Mr. LeBlanc, what's your announcement in Mr. Edwards' case?
Judge, I've spoken with the prosecutor today, conveyed an offer, of the 3 cases I have on your docket. There was one that was a number 1 setting. This, I'm the least ready on this case, but I'll be ready if the court requires.
I mean, what's the state's announcement on it?
Based on our discussion before, if you wanted to make the motion for continuance, the state would not argue against it. But otherwise, state's had contact with complaining witness and is ready.
Okay, so what you want to do on it?
I mean, if the court requires, ask me to set me number 1, I'll try, okay?
I mean, we only got 2 cases left. We got this one and then the one with Mr. Kimler. Is that correct, Mr. Kimler?
Not sure, Your Honor.
Oh, okay.
Mr. Toots was, that the state needs to reset up. Court of Front and Mr. Toots, Your Honor.
Yeah, but let me come back to that. So,
And Judge, speaking.
so it's the one I think I mentioned Toots had been reset. State had, this would be the state fort motion for continuance.
I recognize that, Your Honor, but, and with that, I mean, even with that being the case, state would request more time under the circumstances.
And you, what's your position?
I asked Mr. Evil, would defer.
You,
My announcements are ready.
right, But I mean, are you opposed to it? Not opposed to it? I need to,
I'm not gonna oppose it, Your Honor. I'm trying to maintain decorum with the state on those issues. Mr. Hebel needs a reset on that. If it were a family assault case, I probably would take a different position on that. But
Okay.
it's up to the court. I'll
This is
defer,
case
I'll
was-
defer to the court.
900 and this 23.
And
How soon can we get ready? That's my question. Next question. Since it's been reset, it'll be the fourth time.
if the court wants to.
At least fourth time for the state. at
If,
least.
if the court wants to reset it for a date certain, number one, Your Honor, of course, state would not oppose that.
Okay, give us,
Which one are we talking about? This one? or-
well, we're talking about his right now, but then so I'll know, yours will be the only one that's left. Give us a date.
June first.
This is gonna be like a number one setting. I thought we already had a number one on June 1st. We can call him back later.
Judge, my client's asked me, if we could get a reset to it. He would like to reset it.
You would like to have a reset? Okay,
No objection.
This gonna be another city.
well, yes,
We don't have it.
we don't have somebody win.
We don't have it on June first or the eighth.
Okay, put him on the first. That's a good day to me.
No special setting.
Yeah,
This is on Marcus Edwards.
no, not him. We talking about Toops.
Oh.
It'll be the first.
Yeah,
Oops.
we didn't had three, do the fourth reset. Probably some of the other resets probably had missing, was there blood test or anything in this one?
This is AJ's present.
No, are you?
I was just wondering in Toops. I was just wondering.
On two?
Sometimes you have resets because you don't have the
Yeah, there.
expert available.
There is a blood test in this case, Your Honor.
You across the street?
No.
I can get with the expert today, Your Honor.
Yeah, we need to, because of that, you're talking about coming up on a fifth. Yeah. I think maybe the other recess was probably based on experts not being available.
Once we step away from the bench, I'll call him.
Okay,
Great. Right.
okay. Okay. Now we're gonna reset, Edwards too.
Okay, so keep it on the trial document.
Yeah, we're gonna keep it on the trial docket,
Yes, Your Honor.
his case.
I'll go make that call now, Your Honor.
Okay. Well, what date we have for Mr. Edwards?
Eight.
The next week, okay.
Figure out what's wrong with the time. Tired? Oh, slow.
Nah.
When is the two?
No.
Okay, okay.
He's one of your attorney. So we not gonna be late then.
Do it. So, Austin.
She's on her way to now. Well, July. I'm glad you did, Sean, to contact him. Thank you.
This was two, these two was dismissed.
Blood expert will be available for June first, Your Honor.
Okay, that was, that was your case, right? Toops, June 1st, okay. Oh, should, you say Leger was here?
Yes, Mr. Blazer, correct?
Shane Tyler Leger?
It said, Your Honor, he has a pending felony that arises.
I see it's set for May 4th. Is that May 4th? Your felony is set for May 4th. That's what's on the docket sheet.
May 20th.
Hold on, she gonna get it today?
Yeah.
It got moved, I guess, because
Yeah, it had to be moved. Yeah. Did you go to court today? The felony?
No, so I didn't go over there yet.
they don't have court today, I checked.
Oh,
Okay.
this is Shane Tyler Leger. I think they reset your case.
We could just set
May
this
4th.
the same day as the felony. Are you starting? You're without. Stars can be expensive these days. Get your reading up now and read all. Oh, yeah.
Okay, yeah, your felony is set for May 4th at 11. So we'll set this case for May 4th as well.
Excuse you.
Well, you have to get this reset. Okay, you'll be free to go. You have a best day.
Okay, good.
And we're gonna set it on that day. We setting this one for trial too.
Yes. I guess that's all I have in that excuse you.
Let me make sure. I think, yes,
Okay, thank you.
okay. So we're waiting on, it must be Mr. Wilkerson's clients. No, Wilkerson case was reset. Is that Mr. Lodge clients? We have Mr. Boudreaux, who has Garcia, must be outside talking to his client. Jennifer DeLodge. Or DeLage. DeLage. Okay, Miss DeLage has Lysandra Hamilton. That's you. Just hold on a minute. We're waiting for your attorney to. Richard Johnson, who is that? That's you? We're waiting for your attorney. You can stay there. Donna Sue Keating. That person didn't. Okay, the court will be in recess. Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is back in session. The court is in session in cause number 26 CCC Aura 0670. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Roland Valdez Garcia. Mr. Garcia, is that your full name?
I'm sorry, I speak a little English, so what do you say?
Just hold on a minute. We need to get, just have a seat. We need to get, Jennifer, our court, you speak Spanish?
Yes, sir.
All right. We need to get Jennifer to interpret. All right, just have a seat. We'll call you back up. Okay, Mr. Lewis. Next case is Jeremy J. Mars. Mr. Morris, your full name is Jeremy J. Morris.
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Morris? I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking, Ms. Morris. You're represented by your attorney, Attorney Marvin Lewis, who's appearing via Zoom. Mr. Lewis, how are you doing?
I'm doing good, Judge. How you doing this morning?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Now, Mr. Lewis, what is your announcement in Mr. Morris's case? His case is on the court's announcement now.
Yes, sir, Judge. We've gotten the discovery and everything in for this case, and I've spoken with my client. But before we set it on the trial docket, I would like at least one more time to talk with the prosecutor. It's a different prosecutor than we've had the last time we were in court. So if I could do that, Judge, I appreciate it. Just a short setting so we can maybe be able to get this thing resolved.
Okay, give us a reset date. Yes, case is set for May 20th, 2026. Mr. Lewis, you'll get your reset. You're free to go. You have a blessed day. And Mr. Morris, stay in contact with your attorney, your bondsman. They will give a notice of your reset. You get your reset. Once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thank
have a
you,
blessed day as
Judge.
well. All right. Thank you, Mr. Lewis. Jefferson County Court at Law Number 2 is back in session. The court is in session. Where is? And cause number 26 CCCR 0674, excuse me, 70. The case is filed with State of Texas versus Roland Valdez Garcia. Mr. Roland Garcia is present in court. He speaks Spanish and some English. And Mr. Roland Valdez Garcia is present. He's represented by his attorney, Attorney Don Boudreaux. And we have Ms. Jennifer Araji, who is fluent in Spanish and English, and she is our court's interpreter. Ms. Araji, would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear to interpret Spanish to English and English to Spanish to help you God?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, you may put your hand down. Ms. Araji, how are you doing?
Good, Judge. Thank you for asking yourself.
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking as well. Now, Ms. Araji, let me give him, you want to see his name? I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. It's highlighted.
Okay.
Ms. Araji, ask Mr. Garcia if his full name is that Roland Valdez Garcia?
Su nombre completo Valdez Garcia.
Royland Valdez.
Yes, Judge.
Okay. Would you please ask him to raise his right hand? Okay. Do you swear to tell the truth, to swear or affirm to tell the truth, and nothing but the truth to help you God?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you may put your hand down. Okay. ¿Cómo está?
Sorry, bro.
Okay. Now, Mr. Garcia is represented by Attorney Don Boudreaux. Mr. Boudreaux, again, how are you doing?
Just fine.
And Mr. Boudreaux, do you waive a record in Mr. Garcia's case?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mr. Garcia, I have before me a document on my computer that's titled citation.
Dice que tiene un documento ahí en su computadora. Se llama citación.
Oh, actually,
De una
¿Cómo?
de una ticket, de una letra que vas a pagar.
Okay.
okay. And that is the ticket that they gave you for this offense.
Sí, esa es la ofensa.
I also have before me a document that is titled complaint that was filed by, let's see, I think it's precinct 4. Let's see, son of a Hillary. Oh, it was filed by the Department of Public Safety in precinct 4 of Jefferson County. And this complaint alleges that you was traveling 87 miles an hour in a 55-mile-an-hour speed zone, which is 10% above the posted speed. Do you understand what you've been charged
You
with?
said 87 in a 55.
In a 55.
Okay. Está diciendo pues, que el boleto que tienes de esa ofensa dice el DPS que estabas manejando 85 en el lado de 55.
Do you understand what you've been charged with?
Sí, usted entiende.
The offense of speeding.
Sí, eso fue lo que dijeron.
Yes.
Okay. And to this charge, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Y como que eres culpable, no culpable o no contesta.
Que yo me diga si yo soy culpable o no culpable. No,
Sí, como usted dice.
eso que eso.
¿Que eres culpable?
Yes.
Guilty.
Public, okay. And are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Usted está diciendo culpable, libre y voluntario.
Libre.
Que estás diciendo culpable libre voluntario.
Es voluntario.
Yes.
Oh, he has no contest on the paperwork? Okay. Telling me he has no contest on the paperwork, or is he pleading no contest?
Dice pues que contaste y no contesto ahí en los papeles, que lo que quieres decir no contesto, como lo pusiste ahí en los papeles. Es lo mismo. Yes, sir.
No contest. Now, are you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily?
Y estás diciendo no contesto, libre y voluntario.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Judge.
You unlock this here. And are you pleading no contest because you do not want to fight or contest the charges?
Y usted está diciendo no contesto porque no quieres pelear los casos.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, I also have before me let me back up. This complaint alleges that on or about January 2nd of 2026, that you committed the Class C misdemeanor offense of speeding, which was 87 miles an hour in a 55-mile-an-hour speed zone. And to this offense, are you pleading no contest? And it was in Jefferson County, Texas.
El 6 de enero del 85 en la 55, casi sin no contesto de eso ofensa.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
okay.
Judge.
Now, I also have before me a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishment. This document is also labeled as State's Exhibit Number 1. Do you recognize this document?
¿Recuerdas el documento que te explicó tu abogado?
¿Se recuerda ese documento?
De ese, sí.
Yes.
Yes, Judge.
On page 2 of this document, there's a set of initials on the line next to a box that says check no contest. Did you place your initials on this document?
Pues si se iniciaron ahí diciendo no contesta.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
And on the next document, or on the same document, but page 3 of this document, there's a signature above the line that's titled defendant. Is this your signature?
Esa es su firma ahí.
Yes, sir.
And on the next document that's titled trial court certification of defendant's right of appeal, do you recognize this document?
¿Recuerdas el documento que firma?
Yes, sir.
Is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant?
Y esa es su firma ahí.
Yes, yes, sir.
At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that
En
statement?
la primera caja dice que usted no se puede apelar este caso con ese término. ¿Entiendes eso?
Yes, sir.
The next box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Y la segunda caja dice que estás dejando tu para apelar este caso con ese término.
That's correct.
Entonces,
Correct.
Judge.
Okay. I also have a document on paper that is titled Discovery Certification. Do you recognize this document?
¿Recuerdas el documento que firmaste?
Yes, sir.
Is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant?
¿Es
This is
firma
my
ahí?
time.
Yes.
Now, Mr. Garcia, before you signed and initialed these documents, did your well, let me ask you this here. Someone went over these documents with you in Spanish?
Está preguntando si alguien explicó ese documento en español antes de firmarlos.
Either language this for who I understand is this.
What did he say?
Yo lo entendí, yo lo traduje y lo entendí, ¿sabes? Lo leí.
Okay, he's saying that it was translated and he understands it.
Okay, now who translated it?
¿Quién te explicó todo? ¿Quién se introdujo?
No, yo lo leí.
Oh, he's saying he read it, that he understood.
So you read English?
Ahí me tradujo el Google, yo lo traduje.
Oh, with the Google Translate, he did it.
Oh,
So,
okay. So you translated it with Google and you understand everything in these documents?
Lo hice con el Google y usted entiende todo en esos documentos.
Yes, sir.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Y todo en esos documentos es de verdad.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now going back to State's Exhibit number 1. Well, first of all, let me do this here. Mr. Garcia, are you a citizen of the United States?
Also, I am resident in the United States.
Resident.
Okay. Got 2 things. What country are you from?
I am,
¿Qué país es?
Cuba.
Cuba.
Cuba. Yeah, we don't have, okay, hold on a minute. Need to give them, Cuba is not on there. May hand you a document that is titled Spanish for all foreign nationals, except those from mandatory notification countries. And we need to have him to sign the top portion. And y'all could have if y'all need to have a seat, y'all can have a seat. If not,
Do you need me to? Or-
no, it's up to you.
Ya, ese documento cuando lo es.
Okay, Mr. Garcia, I have a document before me that is titled Spanish for all foreign nationals except those from mandatory notification countries. You recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled signature?
Yes, sir.
Before you sign this, well, there's one word that's circled on this document. It says no, and it's below a statement that states, do you want us to contact your consular officers at this time? That's what it says in English, but you circle no, is that correct?
Yes, sir. Sorry, yes.
Yes.
Before you, going back to State's Exhibit number 1, on page 1, there's the last paragraph that's titled Citizenship. And it states, if you're not a citizen of the United States, on a plea of nolo contendere or guilty, it may result in your deportation, exclusion from admission to this country, or denial of naturalization under federal law. Do you understand that?
Bajo esa medida tiene una necesidad de cuando uno no recibe que moviendo la información que se lo pueden deportar o dejar entrar a los Estados Unidos. no está diciendo que lo van a hacer, pero tenemos que explicar todo.
En un futuro pueden votarlo, ¿eh?
No, no van a hacer, pero se lo pueden hacer si ellos quieren.
Ok,
Nomás tenemos que explicar eso.
ok.
Que
Y-
se entiendes.
Ok. Eso me afecta para que el día me quiero ser ciudadano o algo.
Eso no sabemos. Tienes que
Oh, yeah.
hablar con eso.
You understand it?
Yes, Judge.
And do you still want to go forward with your plea bargain?
Y todavía quieres mover adelante con su caso.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now. Get all of them together. Now, before you signed all of the documents that I showed you, did you understand everything in these documents?
That's okay, sir.
Antes de firmar todo ese documento, sí, te explico todo en español, entendiste todo antes de firmarlos.
I understand, sir.
Yes.
Okay, so you understood in Spanish and English. Okay. And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Y todo en esos documentos de verdad.
Yes, sir.
Okay. State, you like to offer state's exhibit number 1?
So I'll figure out.
Any objections?
No, sir.
No objections, state's exhibit number 1 will be admitted. And Mr. Boudreaux, you advised in counsel, Mr. Garcia, is there any evidence that he is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, sir.
Now, Mr. Boudreaux, pursuant to the case of Padilla versus Kentucky, did you advise your client as to the consequences of him pleading guilty or no contest since he is not a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mr. Garcia, are you satisfied with the services of Mr. Boudreaux?
Los servicios de su abogado es suficiente.
Yes, sir.
And Mr. Garcia, your attorney of record is Mr. Todd Takash. Mr. Boudreaux is standing in for Mr. Takash. Are you satisfied with the services of Mr. Takash?
Está preguntando que dice que su abogado es el señor Takash. Este abogado está trabajando por él, pero está los servicios
What's the cost?
del abogado Takash era suficiente.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Judge.
You said 277? Okay. Mr. Garcia, I will accept your plea of no contest.
Va a aceptar usted diciendo que no contestó.
I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial.
Todos sus mentales están bien para decir lo mismo.
Yes, sir.
I will find that there is, that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given.
Que como mencionó que dice después que era voluntario.
Yes, sir.
And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt.
Que tu información era suficiente para decir no contestó.
Yes, sir.
State,
Yes, Your Honor.
do we have a plea bargain agreement?
We do, Your Honor.
And what is the agreement?
The essential terms as follows: $150 fine and plus court costs.
That $150 fine plus court costs. Now, Mr. Garcia, the state is offering that you pay a fine of $155. I mean, $150. $150.
Lo que está en el estado es que usted pague una multa de $150.
Plus court costs of $277.
Más los costos de corte de 277.
Okay, sir.
It comes to a total of $427. Will you be able to pay the $427 today?
Todo junto es $438 y está preguntando el juez que usted puede pagar todo eso hoy.
Yes, sir, I can.
Okay. And now, Mr. Garcia, do you understand the state's offer?
Y usted entiende el estado.
Yes, sir.
Do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
Y usted piensa lo que está en el estado es justo.
For me, it's all right, my friend.
Yes, Judge.
And do you accept the state's offer?
¿Y quieres aceptar?
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Garcia, I'll follow the plea bargain agreement that you have entered into with the state. Mr. Garcia, you gotta stand at the end of that table, follow the directions of the bailiff. Once you finish following the directions of the bailiff, you need to go downstairs to the clerk's office, make that payment and bring the receipt back in here, up here.
Después de terminar con la oficina, vas a ir abajo a pagar el multa, ¿ok?
Okay.
Y luego le van a dar un recibo, tienes que traer el recibo otra vez a esto, ¿ok?
Okay.
Y dice el abogado le va a ayudar,
Okay.
¿ok?
Okay, Mr. Boudreaux said he'll go with you.
I told you.
Okay,
Sir.
thanks a lot, Mr. Raji.
Yes, sir.
You have a blessed day.
You too, Judge, thank you. Ahí con la oficial le van a...
Okay.
Y luego pagas eso y,
Y vuelvo a regresar.
sí,
Okay.
y todo
Okay.
terminado.
You have a blessed day.
Fine.
You're welcome.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, that door is locked. Is it open?
Yes.
It's open. Okay, you could go down. Okay, I didn't know it was, I thought it was locked.
Just for,
Hamilton.
Is that your turn?
Miss, I thought he was going downstairs with him.
Go on.
Are you gonna go with?
I'll go.
Okay. Court is back in session and cause number 25 CCCR 2614. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Lysandra Marie Hamilton. Ms. Hamilton, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Hamilton, would you please raise your right hand? Ms. Hamilton, do you swear affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Ms. Hamilton, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Ms. Hamilton? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Ms. Hamilton, you are represented in your case by Ms. Jennifer DeLage. And Ms. DeLage, how are you doing?
Doing good, Judge. How about you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. State is represented in this case by attorney Andrew Hubel. And Mr. Hubel, how are you doing?
Doing well, Judge, thank you.
Mr. DeLage, are you opposed to a record being, in this case,
What, so waived, Your Honor.
you waiving a record? Okay. Now, Ms. Hamilton, I have before me on my computer a document that is titled Information. This information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office In this information, it alleges that you, Lysandra Marie Hamilton, on or about July 19th of 2024, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class A misdemeanor offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 3, that weighed less than 28 grams. Ms. Hamilton, do you understand what you've been charged with?
Yes.
To this charge, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? Are you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily? And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges?
Right.
Ms. Hamilton, I also have before me a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishments. Do you recognize this document? On page 2 of this same document, there's a set of initials LH on the line next to a box that's checked a little contingent, which means no contest. Did you place your initials on this document?
Yes, sir.
On page 2 of this same document, page 3 of the same document, there is a signature above the line that is titled defendant. Is this your signature?
Yes, sir.
On the next document that is titled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant?
Yes, sir.
At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Yes, sir.
Second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement? I also have a document that is titled Discovery Certification. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Hamilton, before you signed and initial all of the documents that I just showed you, did your attorney, Mr. Lays, go over these documents with you?
Right.
Did you understand everything that your attorney went over?
Yes, I did.
Is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge? Ms. Hamilton, are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
CO for 6-1.
No
Yeah.
objection.
No objection. States exhibit number 1 will be admitted. Mr. Lays, you advised in counsel, Ms. Hamilton, is there any evidence that she is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, Your Honor.
And Ms. Hamilton, your attorney, Mr. Lage, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with her representation?
Yes, sir.
Has she provided full, effective, and competent legal representation?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Hamilton, I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
We do, Your Honor.
And what is the agreement?
The agreement in this case is to 2 days, better, with, credit for those days going towards, finding court costs.
Okay, Ms. Hamilton, the state is offering that you serve 2 days in Jefferson County Jail. You already served 2 days in Jefferson County Jail, therefore you'll be given credit for the time that you have already served. And what's the court cost in this case? 77. $287. Okay, Ms. Hamilton, the court cost in this case is $287. You have 2 days credit, which comes to a total of $200. That will be credited toward the court cost. So that leaves a balance of $87. Are you able to pay the $87 today?
Mhm.
Okay. Now, Ms. Hamilton, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just? Do you accept the state's offer? Ms. Hamilton, I'll follow the plea bargain agreement that you have entered into with the state. Ms. Hamilton, you're staying at the end of that table, follow the directions of the bailiff. Once you finish following the directions of the bailiff, you'll be free to go downstairs and make your payment. Once you make your payment, you'll come back up to this courtroom with the receipt.
Okay.
All right, you have a blessed day. Richard Johnson. Yeah, you could back up some. Okay, that's good, that's good. Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is back in session. The court is in session. In cause number 26CCCR 0526, case of South State of Texas versus Richard Johnson. Mr. Johnson, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Johnson, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Johnson, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Mr. Johnson, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Johnson? You blessed? Can't be better than being blessed. Now, Mr. Johnson, you're represented by your attorney, Ms. Jennifer DeLage. And Ms. DeLage, do you waive a record in Mr. Johnson's case?
No waived, Your Honor.
Mr. Johnson, I have before me on my computer a document that is titled Information. This information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, it alleges that you, Richard Johnson, on or about December 20th of 2025, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class A misdemeanor offense of discharging a firearm in certain municipalities. Mr. Johnson, do you understand what you've been charged with? And to this charge, Mr. Johnson, how do you plead guilty, not guilty, and no contest? Or you plead?
No contest.
No contest? Are you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges? Mr. Johnson, I also have before me on my computer tablet a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishments. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
On page 2 of this same document, there's a set of initials on a line next to a box that's check nolo contingere, which means no contest. You place your initials on this document. On page 3 of this same document, there's a signature above the line that is titled defendant. Is this your signature?
Yes, sir.
And on the next document that's titled trial court certification of defendant's right of appeal, do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant? At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement? The second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement? I also have another document that is titled Discovery Certification. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant?
Yes, sir, it is.
Now, Mr. Johnson, before you signed and initialed these documents, did your attorney go over these documents with you?
So she did.
And did you understand everything that your attorney went over?
Yes, sir.
And is everything in these documents?
Yeah.
Mr. Boudreaux, you need to remove your hat. You need to remove your hat, sir. You in court? Okay. Tell him what I said. Mr. Boudreaux, you're in court. You know, we have rules, so you can put your hat on once you get out of the courtroom. Okay. All right. Now, before you signed and initialed these documents, your attorney went over these documents with you?
Yes, sir.
And then you understand everything that your attorney went over? And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, Mr. Johnson, are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
No, for 6-1.
Any objections? No objections. States exhibit number 1 will be admitted. And Ms. DeLodge, you've advised and counseled Ms. Johnson,
Yes.
is there any evidence that he's currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, Your Honor.
And Mr. Johnson, your attorney, Mr. Lage, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation, with her representation? Okay, has she provided fully effective and competent legal representation?
Sir.
Okay, Mr. Johnson, I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given, and I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
And what is the agreement?
The agreement this month, in this case is to 6 months deferred probation with forfeiture of the weapon to the Beaumont Police Department.
There's no fine in this case.
That's correct, Your Honor.
And no community service.
That's correct.
Okay, Mr. Johnson. The state is offering, hold on a minute, let me do this here, see real fast. What's the court cost? Hmm? So what's the total? You says 362? 362. Okay, that's. Mr. Johnson, the state is offering that you serve 6 months of further adjudicated probation during the 6-month probationary period. The state is waiving the fine. You will be required to pay court costs in the amount of $362. You'll be required to pay a probation fee of $60 a month, your analysis fee of $15 a month, reimbursement fee of $15. Your total monthly installments, that is a total amount that you will be required to pay each month, is $165 a month. Are you able to pay the $165 a month?
Oh, sir.
Okay, may I see his affidavit of indigence? You were appointed in this case, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
You know what? I didn't even add the attorney's fees of $350. You would be required to pay attorney's fees of $350 in this case as well. Okay. So now let's see. Okay.
Fixed income.
I understand I have it right here. Your attorney is gonna have you to look at the document.
Here it's still incorrect. They should be filled out. Yeah. And then you're expensive. They still pay, but
They couldn't let it snap.
they don't understand.
I don't know, snap. Or so I think we can.
Okay.
You know,
It's correct for the SNAP.
they
You're
can.
no longer getting SNAP benefits,
Okay.
so it's less.
It's just a social security. Okay. Let me see. Wow. Yeah, what they'll do, the probation will make that determination.
They, having these doctor's appointments, Your Honor, getting to them, they ask the widow, so, I'm getting
$30 here,
I understand.
some person to take me here and there, and, you know, just, it is complicated getting to these appointments, you know, because my insurance was switched, switched over, so, you know, I'm kind of, having a lot of problems, with.
Understand.
things.
You gonna work on that for you.
I wish it was something else, community service or, something, something.
42A. Point. 42A. Okay. Mr. Johnson, I have before me a document that is titled Affidavit of Indigence. And do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir, I do.
Now, everything is in that document is still the same with the exception of the SNAP benefits. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, Mr. Johnson, the court is going to find that you're indigent. And based on the finding of indigency, the court cost of $362 will be converted to 29 hours of community service. The attorney's fees of $350 will be waived pursuant to Article 26. Now, let me back up. The court cost of $362 will be converted to 29 hours of community service pursuant to Article 42.15 of the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure. The attorney fees of $350 will be waived pursuant to Article 26.05 G-11 of the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure. The reimbursement fee of $15 will be waived pursuant to Article 102.018 of the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure. The probation fees of $60 a month will be waived pursuant to Article 42A.652 because the court has determined that the payment of the reimbursement fee, which is the probation fees, would cause you, the defendant, to have a significant financial hardship. And you will be required to pay your analysis fee of $15 a month, so your total month installments while you're on probation is $18 a month. Okay.
Yes.
And the weapon in this case will be forfeited to the Beaumont Police Department. I have before me a motion to forfeit. Mr. Johnson, do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant? Now, before you sign this document, did your attorney go over this document with you? And did you understand everything that your attorney went over?
Yeah.
And is everything in this document true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir. It is.
Mr. Johnson, I'm signing this order to forfeit the weapon, in this case, to the Beaumont Police Department. Now, Mr. Johnson, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
You think that is fair and just?
Yes, sir.
And do you accept the state's offer?
Yes, sir. I
Mr.
do.
Johnson, I'll follow the plea bargaining agreement with the court's findings, you being indigent. Mr. Johnson, if you successfully complete this probationary period, this case will be dismissed. It will not result in a conviction in your record. And you may qualify for non-disclosure whereby your record will be sealed to the general public. You can talk to your attorney about the non-disclosure because she's quite competent in those matters. Now, Mr. Johnson, is that paperwork ready? It's not? Okay. You can,
Yes, sir.
move over there near the, bailiff, and once the paperwork is ready, you'll follow her directions. Once you follow her directions, you'll be free to go. Have a blessed day, Mr. Lage. Thanks for spending last week with us. And, you're free to go as well. Oh, that's right, she had another one.
She didn't say show up.
They did, it was another.
Okay. Kenny?
It was no threat.
Well, it was a trespassing, it's probably a, she may not, she may be on, what's the word I'm looking for?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Notice was in the record.
Friday.
So you had an address on the court appointment?
I don't believe I did, Judge.
Oh, that's what she said.
Oh, there was an address on there? Gee.
What does it have?
We talking.
Oh, could you look at that, that court appointment
Okay.
for Ms. DeLage? Okay, so we're gonna have, that will be the only bond forfeiture?
Oh, okay, so it has that ring.
Our last hand finished at like 4 to 5 and I read it. But were you at Fort Park? I heard it was a swamp. And I heard it was a nightmare. Everybody was sitting around waiting to see if they were gonna be late or not.
Yeah, they didn't put the.
And you're stuck out there, you can get to your car fast and then.
How do you, where did y'all get the address
I
from?
mean, I got it off the.
But they completely.
I mean, how did it get on the appointment if there's no address? She came to court, okay,
Yeah.
okay.
She was in custody at the time yesterday. I worked, we're going to go by and say, no, I think she was up there with Ryan in the hotel.
Well, the attendant was like, it was there for custody, Saturday or Sunday.
Oh, wow.
Jefferson County Court of Law number 2 is back in session. Court is in session and cause number 26CCCR 0140. I guess I'll wait for you to finish with him before I call a bond forfeiture. Okay, Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is back in session. Court is in session and cause number 26CCCR0140. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Donna Sue Keeney. Donna Sue Keeney was scheduled to be in court this morning at 9 a.m. At or about 9 a.m., the court's be able to call the name of Donna Keeney or Donna Sue Keeney at the courthouse door. Donna Sue Keeney did not answer. She has not appeared in court since the court has been in session. Attorney was here. But attorney Jennifer DeLage. The time now is 12:26 p.m. on today's date of April 20th, 2026. Ms. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Donna Sue Keeney at the courthouse door? Donna Sue Keeney. Okay, Donna Sue Keeney. Name was just called again at the courthouse door. Donna Sue Keeney did not answer. Reasonable time has passed to give Miss Donna Sue Keeney an opportunity to appear in court. She has not appeared in court. State, do you have a motion?
Yes, Your Honor, I move for a bond forfeiture.
That motion will be granted. Donna Sue Keeney bond will be forfeited and the warrant shall be issued for her arrest and cause number 26CCCR0140. And this will conclude the call into the court's announcement docket, pretrial conference docket, and trial docket. All three dockets on the day's date, April 20th, 2026. In County Court at Law number 2, Jefferson County, Texas, Judge Terrence Holmes presiding. Everyone, please have a blessed day. Prosecutors, you are excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.